I thought I knew my wife. But one night, a single message on her phone destroyed everything I believed. My name is Daniel. I am 32 years old. I work as an accountant in a quiet city. My life was simple. I woke up early, went to work, came home, and spent my evenings with my wife Emma. We had been married for 2 years. People said we were a perfect couple. Emma was kind, soft-spoken, and beautiful. She smiled often and never argued. I believed I was the luckiest man in the world. I met Emma in a library. She was reading a book near the window. Sunlight touched her face. I still remember how peaceful she looked. I said hello. She looked up and smiled. That smile changed my life. We talked about books, dreams, and family. Emma said she loved quiet men. I was quiet. She said she wanted a simple life. I wanted the same. After 1 year, we married. Our wedding was small but full of love. Emma held my hand and said, "Daniel, I will always be honest with you." I trusted those words more than anything. At first, married life felt perfect. Emma cooked dinner. She waited for me every night. She asked about my day. We laughed together. But slowly, something began to change. Emma started coming home late. She kept her phone close all the time. If I asked, she smiled and said, "Just work stress." One night, I woke up and saw her sitting on the bed, texting someone. The light from the phone made her face look strange. When she noticed me, she quickly turned the screen off. "Who are you talking to?" I asked. "No one," she said. "Go back to sleep." Her voice was calm, but my heart felt heavy. Days passed. Emma became distant. She stopped telling me things. Sometimes she smiled, but her eyes were empty. It felt like she was with me, but also far away. Then one evening, everything changed. Emma was taking a shower. Her phone was on the table. It started vibrating again and again. I tried to ignore it, but the screen lit up. A message appeared. "I miss you. Last night was not enough." My hands began to shake. I picked up the phone. My heart was beating fast. I knew I should not look, but I could not stop myself. There were many messages, photos, voice notes, love words. They were not for me. One name appeared again and again. Ryan. My world broke in seconds. Emma came out of the bathroom smiling. Then she saw the phone in my hand. Her smile died. "Daniel," she whispered. "Who is Ryan?" I asked quietly. She did not answer. "Who is Ryan?" I shouted. Emma sat on the bed. Tears filled her eyes. "I didn't want you to know like this," she said. My chest felt tight. "Know what?" She took a deep breath. "I lived another life before you," she said. "And I never really left it." Her words cut my heart. Emma told me the truth. Before marriage, she was in a relationship with Ryan. He was rich, powerful, dangerous. She loved him, but he never wanted marriage. When she met me, she thought she could start a new life. A clean life. She married me to escape her past. "But your past followed you," I said. She nodded. Ryan came back into her life 6 months after our wedding. He called her. He said he missed her. At first she ignored him. Then she answered. Then they met. Then everything returned. I tried to stop, Emma cried. But I was weak. I felt like I could not breathe. You used me, I said. You married me to hide your truth. Emma fell on her knees. I loved you, Daniel, she said. But my heart was broken long before I met you. That night I did not sleep. I sat near the window, watching the city lights. My wife was sleeping behind me, but she felt like a stranger. In the morning, I made a decision. I said, Emma, love without truth is poison. You kept a secret life, and secrets destroy marriage. She cried. She begged. She touched my feet. But my heart was already tired. We went to a lawyer. The divorce was painful. People talked. Families judged. Friends chose sides. Emma left. For weeks I felt empty. I questioned myself. Was I not enough? Did I fail as a husband? One day, I met Emma again in court. She looked different. Her eyes were tired. Ryan had left her too. She looked at me and said softly, I lost the only honest man in my life. I did not reply. I learned something important. Love is not only about beauty. Marriage is not only about promises. Real love needs truth. If a wife hides her life, the marriage slowly dies. Today I live alone but peaceful. I still believe in love, but now I search for honesty before emotion. Because the most painful thing is not hatred. The most painful thing is discovering the wife's hidden truth.